Your salary is finished before the month even ends. You keep telling yourself, next month will be better, but deep down, you know it won't. The bills keep piling up, unexpected expenses pop out of nowhere, and no matter how hard you work, you're still stuck in the same paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's frustrating, right? You deserve better. You deserve financial freedom. That's why, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a 10,000 CD side hustle while keeping your 9 to 5. No quitting your job, no risky investments. Just a simple, step-by-step plan to start making money immediately, so you can stop stressing and start living. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. First, you need a side hustle that actually works. One that's profitable, doesn't take too much of your time, and doesn't require huge startup costs. So, here are 3 of the best side hustles for busy 9 to 5 workers. Option 1, freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or video editing, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn allow you to earn in dollars, meaning more money when converted to Ghana cedis. You can start small, then scale up as you get more clients. Option 2, print-on-demand business. This is one of the easiest online businesses to start with no inventory. You design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and companies like Printify or Teespring handle the printing and shipping for you. You only pay when you make a sale. Option 3, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. You don't need to create your own product, just share links on social media or YouTube. And when someone buys through your link, you get paid. The best part? It works passively. We will dive in deeper into the 3 options in our next videos, so subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned. Now that you have 3 great options, let's move to the next step. How to test if your side hustle will actually make money. Before you invest too much time or effort, you need to test your idea. The mistake most people make? They jump in without checking if there's demand. Here's how to validate your side hustle for free. For freelancing, start by offering your services on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook groups for free or at a discount. If people show interest, you know there's demand. For print-on-demand, create designs using Canva, post them on Redbubble or Etsy, and check if people are clicking or adding them to their favorites. If there are no sales, tweak your designs. For affiliate marketing, pick a trending product and post about it on TikTok, Instagram, or in a WhatsApp group. If people ask for the link, you've got a winner. By testing first, you avoid wasting time on side hustles that don't work. Now, let's talk about the most important part: how to scale this to make 10,000 CDs or more. Once you've made your first few sales, it's time to go big. The secret to scaling a side hustle is automation. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Automate the process. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write content for freelancing gigs. Use Canva templates to create multiple print-on-demand designs in minutes. Use social media schedulers to post affiliate links automatically. Step 2. Outsource small tasks. Once you start making money, reinvest some of it into hiring people. Pay a virtual assistant 200 to 500 CDs per month to handle customer service, design work, or video editing. This frees up your time to focus on growth. Step 3. Scale by expanding. If you're freelancing, raise your prices and take on bigger clients. If you're doing print on demand, create more designs and test new niches. If you're in affiliate marketing, run ads to get more clicks. The key is consistent growth. With automation and smart scaling, hitting 10,000 CDs becomes a reality. But most people fail because they quit too soon. Stay consistent, track your progress, and keep pushing forward. Now it's your turn. Comment below which side hustle you're starting today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to make money online. And don't stop here. Watch my next video on a step-by-step guide to start freelancing business in 2025 to keep growing your income.